Welcome to uTest. So you are welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn $25, $15 to $25 depending on the country where you are, and not only that, and the type of video that you are going to do, but we are doing a short video of ourselves, like just 15 minutes video to earn $25, and I'm going to show you. And the first step to this for you to click on the link under this video description and come to this website. So I've already made a video about how you can register on uTest. So the video you are going to see is on the end screen, and you can later come back to this video and to come and watch this video. So you will see this video on this screen also. So you can just come back and let's go to the project that I'm talking about. So if I go to all projects, so this uTest, for you to select the operating system. So just leave it, and your country there's no need because you need worldwide. So we need worldwide. You can just select worldwide, but no need, I don't select any. And just scroll down. So you are going to see it on this project. So you will see it on the project. This is a project that has deadline. So, and I will employ you to quickly grab on this opportunity now. As you can see, get paid to record 3 short survey videos. Just 3 short survey videos, 15 minutes, no script. Yeah, no script. So up to 3 service style videos about 10 seconds each. No scripts, no prompts, talking optional. Wow, talking, you can decide to talk and you can decide not to talk. That is the work. 15 minutes starts to finish. So just 15 minutes starts to finish. So let me click on the particular project. So I've clicked on it. So this description says up to 3 survey style videos about 10 seconds each. So no scripts, no prompts, talking optional. That is the work. 15 minutes starts to finish. This round is open to new participants across a long list of countries. The full list is below. Any recent device that can film you works. Yeah, a smartphone 2020 or newer. Oh, 2020 or newer. So that is, my phone is S21, and that is 21 was made in year 2021. Tablet, laptop or desktop with a webcam. So you must have a tablet or laptop, or you can also use your desktop that has a webcam. So what is the work? So the work is record up to 3 service style videos around 10 seconds each. Keep it natural and relaxed. Casual video call energy. Talking or staying silent both fine. No scripts either way. So each video happens in a different setting, a different room, different lighting, or another time of day. The test case covers the details. Yeah. So film in portrait vertical format. You can explain that. So yeah, it has to be portrait, that is vertical format. So that means that it's not landscape. You have to hold your phone straight like you are pressing it. I think that is the portrait that they are talking about. So what to expect? So this is the real deal that you may be asking. Compensation is $10, $15, or $25 depending on your country. One payment for the whole tax. Yeah, so one payment for the whole tax. So the 3 short video that you are going to make, they will not pay for each video. Just all the video that you will make, the shorts, I think 3 videos as we already read. So you will make 3 short videos like 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So 15 minutes or less all in. You will wear normal clothes, but we expect some variety between videos. As you can see, some differences in the videos. So that is what they mean. Who should apply? So if you want to apply, you have to be 18 or older, located in one of the eligible countries. Full list below. So new participants only. If you have taken part in an earlier round of this video collection program, you won't be eligible this time. So as you can see, a device to record on. So smartphone, they mention it again, 2020 or newer. So if you are using a smartphone that is lower less than 2020, so you can't participate on this project. And it has to be tablet, laptop or desktop with a webcam, willing to sign a non-signature agreement, NDA or and consent form. So eligible countries is going to be Nigeria. So if you are Nigerian, you are eligible to apply. And you can see other countries here, so you can just look for your own. So this Nigerian, as you can see, so we are Nigerian, congratulations. So this is worldwide. That's a lot of country. People from US, United States, United Kingdom can also apply, but I think the states, they mention some states in the United States that can't apply, as you can see below. So please note, due to the volume of submission, you will only be contacted if you are invited to the project. So that means that a lot of people is going to be participants, is going to participate on this project. So they will only participate you to this project only. So once you see an invite, that means that you can you have been approved to the project. So let me click on apply, so you see how it's going to look like. So you can just go through it. So we already explained the instructions. So and here you are going to fill the form. You understand and accept the information above. So you will click yes and click on next. So to the second form, so this is the continuous form. As you can see, so this my test ID is going to be covered. So as you can see, your name, you have to register first on the uTest platform. So this information is going to be automatically. So as you can see, my email address for the uTest. So my name is going to appear on the uTest platform, and your uTest ID is appeared on the platform, and you will click next once you completed it. And your location is going to be Nigeria. So you will just select Nigeria. So let's select Nigeria, as you can see. So once you select Nigeria, just move to the next step. So you select the country where you are, and let's click on next step. So the next step is going to be gender. So if you are a female, select female. If you are a male, select male. And the next step is going to be how old are you. So select the range. So I'm in the range of 18 to 30 years, and move to the next step. So have you participated before in any survey video collection test circle on uTest? No. If you are a new user that you haven't participated in any survey video collection test circle on uTest, so your answer should be no. So let's move to the next one. Which of the following devices do you have access to for this collection? Select all that apply. Important, you must have a mobile phone and at least one additional device. So I have a mobile phone, I have a laptop, I don't have desktop. Okay, I have a desktop. Okay, I don't have a desktop. Desktop means that a computer that is placed on a table that has this small camera at the top of it. So that is a webcam. So I have to. So see, as you can see, the important instruction is for you to have a mobile phone and at least one additional device, maybe laptop or tablet or desktop with webcam. So I have a mobile phone and I have a laptop. So let's move on. You must have a laptop. So please indicate which skin tone you are closest to. So I'm a darker African, so I'm going to select that. So that is my type C. So select the type that applies to you. So I'm going to click on that. So let me select it again. So okay, this is another next step. The next step is for verification purposes. Please provide a selfie photo of yourself against a white background. So you have to provide a selfie picture of yourself that has a white background, something like this. So I think you will have it. If you don't have it, just go to where they are snapping pictures. Just tell them that you need this photocopy on your phone. Just so after you upload your picture, click on next again. So how do you hear about this project? So if you see this video from YouTube, so just click on from friends or relative under referral program, so that is just it. So now, so this is my account. So we have come to the end of this video. So after you, this is the end of this form for this gets paid to record 30 shorts survey videos. So we have come to the end of this video, and just click on submit, and once you submit, there you submit. You just have to stay back and keep checking on your email if you have received anything like any notification or any update regarding this. And I think this thing is going to start on the 26th of June. I think 26th of June, yeah, as we all say. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I will say you should subscribe, because every time I'm going, like almost every day or every day in a week, I'm always dropping videos, new videos, how to make money online. And if you want to make money like me, you have to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and for the link, you can see it in two places. The first place is just click on this video description, click on the video description and click on the link. It's going to make you register. So I made a video about how to register on uTest, so you will also see it there, how to complete your profile and every details that you have to complete on the uTest. You can also see it under the comment section, so I'm going to also put it there, maybe likely. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.